Okay folks, this is a quick tutorial about array. Array is the tool that allows us to make things that look like this. So we can see that we have these circles in a circular array, we would call it, around a point in the middle. So if we wanted to recreate this, we would do something like make a box, and we'll make it sort of the same size. There we go. I think it's 250 by negative 250. That looks about right. Now we want to go to our construction lines. We can turn it on like that. We can see that we want to draw some construction lines to help us find the center. So we can draw across like that and draw another line like this. Okay, so now we know the center. How do we do this array thing? Well, we get to draw our circle wherever it needs to be. Say it's somewhere around here. Say it's 15 millimeters. And now I go to the array tool and I drop down and I make sure I'm selecting polar array. Polar means circular for us. It's asking me to select my object. I select my object. I hit enter. It's asking me to select my center point. I select my center point. Now I can hit enter and that's the end of it, or I can press the down arrow key. Look at all the other options I have, right? So I can change the number of items. Maybe I only want 3 items in my array. So I only get 3 items. Maybe I want 6 items in my array. So I can go to 6 items. All I'm doing is typing enter or typing a number and hitting enter. All my options are also up here. You'll see they've appeared up here. So rather than using this down arrow key, I can change all the stuff here. I can close my array tool and I have a nice circular array. Also, if I wanted to make a bunch of copies of this, I could select this and hit the rectangular array tool, and I could create a bunch of copies of this. Ooh, it's not even letting me zoom out far enough to see. Right? So that's unusual. Anyways, so I can pick how many columns I want, how many rows, the space is between them, etc., etc., etc. I can close my array, and now I have, a whole bunch of these repeated over again. So that's the array tool. It's pretty handy if you ever have anything that you need a lot of repeated things.